Hello everyone and welcome back to another Stormworks video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Brinkfield Nuclear Power Plant. Now this power plant has always been here in Stormworks, but it actually hasn't been a real working one. However, there is a creator that has gone and made an add-on that converts this into a real working nuclear reactor power plant. So we're going to have a look at an investigation, walk around, see what it's all about, see all these cool little features, and hopefully we can get it up and running and started. Also, I'm hoping there's not going to be any meltdowns or anything that we actually have to evacuate, because we don't have any vehicles around here to get out of here. So let's head up. So we're going to head up through the docks here, and already can tell that the creators added on some of these warning stations around here. So it looks like some megaphones and things to warn us if there is a reactor meltdown. So we're going to head up through the elevator and then make our way over to the actual power plant and see what's going on. It's very spooky investigating this here in the rain and the mist here at the power plant. Cool, let's head through. So we've got the main power plant here. It seems like we've got this main outside area that actually goes up and around. So we'll head through there just now. But the first thing I want to do is I want to go into the plant and have a look at what the creator has changed in here. So if we head through, obviously you have the bigger lift that goes down, and then through these big metal doors here, we get into the main area where we've got our rods and things. So you can see we've got these two big compartments. It looks like we've also got a little bit of a gantry system, maybe some cameras up there too. Well, that's cool. So we're going to head up in here, and it looks like we've got winch controls. Yeah, so some winch controls here. And then we can head up, and we should have to actually, yeah, we can actually go in here and have a look at the cores and things. That's pretty cool. And then through here, we've actually got the reactors and the rods and things. Ooh, very nice. Okay, we've also got a option for the lid. The rods down, release the rods up, and then release rods from the assembly. Okay, so we should be able to do rods down. Oh, there we go. So this should be starting to produce some reaction now and hopefully get some power out of it. We'll do the same thing with this one. So let's go and rods down. Ooh, very nice. You can see it's inserting it into its cage. There we go. So this should be producing. Also, I don't think we need to close the lids. Everything looks all right now. And you can hear that that noise, that hum. Very cool. Okay, let's head up. Actually, no, I think there is another part in here that we need to investigate. Ooh. We're going to go up to the control room just now. So through some more, I'm guessing, steel doors. We then have our main turbines and things, which are over here. And this is what produces electricity for the entire power plant and also provides electricity around the world. So this is really cool. Okay, so let's head up. You can see there's some more cameras there. So there must be somewhere else you can go. So we're going to head out and we're going to head up into this tower that we have here. And we're going to see where this takes us. So we have this big tower that looks like goes all the way up. Let's head all the way through. Let's see where this is going to take us. Okay, we've got two doors here. We've got another door over there. So what have we got in here? Okay, so it looks like a access path up to the roof in case maybe we're doing airlifting out of here. Okay. And then we can come through here. We've got two doors again. So relay room, fire extinguisher. Don't know what that does. And then we come through here. Ooh, so we got the control room. Very cool. Let's get some lights in here. So nice white lights. We've also got test the alarm system. Okay, so that sounds very loud. Let's reset it. Radiation, we got temperature, and we've also got some hazmat equipment if we need it. Cool. And then we've got our main panels here. Very cool. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a starting up procedure. So we inserted the rods, check the temperature, open the coolant. Okay, so where is our temperature? Okay, so our temperature is over here. We can disconnect, we can also unlock it if we need to. So we've got reactor 1, reactor 2. We can also open the coolant if we want to. So condensing fans if we want to. We got coolant flow. Okay. We've got our boiler temperatures if we want to. Cool, okay. And we also got our turbines that we can turn on, which will produce power. Got little monitors here so we can monitor things, which is quite nice too. To get all those on so we can actually see the reactors. Ooh, that's really cool. Maybe I'd like to see an option here for us to open and close these and insert rods and things from here. I think you can, yeah, we can do the control rods here, but I think this is like an automatic system. How's our temperature? Okay, 293, so it looks good. We should be able to start doing our coolant flow. Okay, and we should also be able to get our condensing fans on now. So you can see our boiler temperatures are currently going up, which as soon as that goes up enough, we should start producing some steam. And that means we can get our turbines on. So we've got pressure here, which should start building in a few seconds. Okay, so pressure is definitely building, as you can see. A little hard to read that. There we go. So pressure's building. Let's get our turbines on. Let's start producing some power here. Cool. Okay, so those are on now. So we should be producing pump power from our actual nuclear reactors. We got, there we go. So boiler 1 generator, boiler 2 generator. We got our RPS there if we need it. And now we can start diverting power around. So we can move from the generator to building power if we wanted to. We could move Gen 2 to power grid. We could do main power grid relay. Gen to power grid. Oh, this is really cool. So you can play around with this and send power to different locations if you want to. Which I think is pretty cool. I like that idea. So Gen 2 to power, yeah, so you can see Gen 1, Gen 2. Cool, and then backup Gen to power grid, we don't need that on. Main power grid to relay. Gen 2 to power grid, Gen 1 to power grid. Cool. Okay, what else do we have here? Monitors and things. We've obviously got our temperatures here. So 1 and 2, everything's green, everything's good. We don't need to worry about anything. What else do we have over here? Little push button, nothing else really. Around here, looks like we've got some key switches too. Cool, so overall I really like the design of this. This looks really spot on. I love the design of that room. Really looks cool. Alrighty, we're going to play around and see if we can go to manual control for the control rods. So we're going to switch to manual mode. And okay, so that means we're at 0, which should mean that our temperatures are increasing. Okay, so in theory we could get more production out of this, meaning that we could produce more power, hopefully. If we get more, obviously more temperature coming through the boiler, and there's enough fluid in there, we should be able to get it. Oh, hold on. Why is this going red all of a sudden? What's our temperatures? Ooh, our temperatures are getting quite high. I think if we get to... It's a 1.5, isn't it? I think you get a meltdown on 1.5. I wonder what happens when you... I wonder what happens here if you get to 1.5. Very interested to see what happens. Let's monitor it. Don't tell anyone I'm doing this. I'm probably going to destroy this entire world. Let's see. I didn't see anything, so yeah, we're actually good on our temperature still. Hasn't hit. It says 1.4 is max, so there's 1.5. The reactors look fine. Oh, what was that? Do you hear that explosion? Whoa. Okay, everything looks. Oh, okay. Oh, hold on. Here comes some warning signs. So everything looks fine in the reactor room. The temperature's going crazy. Lights are all red. Oh no, radiation is going. Let's get our hazmat suits on. Can we get like emergency shutdown procedure on this? I wonder. Oh, let's do emergency shutdown. Okay, temperatures are going down. That's fine. Radiation is still going up. Oh no. That's not good. Let's head down. Let's head down. Let's go and see what's going on down there in the reactor room and see if anything has happened. That's not good. So as soon as we came outside here, you can see everything's going right, which means there's radiation everywhere around here. Alright, so we're down here. We're definitely getting hit with hazmat now. You can see my screen is going all fuzzy and grey. Ooh, it doesn't sound good in here. So we definitely had a leak. Something must have burst in here. Oh man, that is not good. Not good at all. We're definitely dying here. So we need to get out of here. We've got radiation poisoning. And I think we're going to be grey. I think the only way we can get out of it is we go into like a sealed area or get far enough away from here. So we just need to evacuate. Now I don't have the AI rescue service on, so I can't even call a rescue boat in to help us. That is not good. Let's just try and get away from this power plant. We came here to try and get it started, but we ended up completely messing it up. Oh, well, there's a crate of some sort there, so I guess that might be helpful to us. I'm not too sure. Oh, we still got radiation. We're slowly dying. Oh no. So yeah, this whole area is now ruined. I guess we can't come here anymore. There's no way to clean up this radiation. Hopefully over time it will slowly start to disappear in this world. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you want to check out this Brinkfield Nuclear Power Plant, I will leave it linked in the video description. Go give some love out to the creator and go play around with it. It's a lot of fun. It looks really cool and I love to see it here in Stormworks. You guys, once again, know that I love environmental mods and any add-ons that improves the quality of life here in Stormworks. And as my character is about to die, I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you have. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until the next video, we will see you then.